Can you get VIP status faster? Yes, you can. Here's how. The MNT Pass can boost your VIP level. Your MNT balance has a multiplier that counts towards VIP qualification. The biggest boost goes to non-VIPs, 1.5 times on MNT. VIP 1s, 2s, and 3s get 1.4 times, and VIP 4 gets 1.3 times. Let's do a quick calculation. For example, you're not a VIP yet, but you hold $33,334 worth of MNT and 50,000 USDT. With a 1.5 multiplier and assuming 1 MNT is 1 USD, your MNT counts as over 50,001 in USD value. So in total, you have around 100,001 in USD value, which unlocks VIP 1 instantly. Another scenario, a VIP 2 with 150,000 MNT at $1 and 300,000 USDT in Bybit. Because VIP 2 has a 1.4 multiplier, 300,000 plus 150,000 times $1 times 1.4 multiplier gets 510,000. So the VIP gets upgraded to VIP 3 level. And that's how the multiplier works. How about if the MNT price increases? Say MNT is $9. The same holdings will boost you to VIP 5. Without multiplier, 300,000 plus 150,000 times $9 gets you $1,650,000, which is a VIP 4. But with 1.3 multiplier, 300,000 plus 150,000 times $9 times 1.3 multiplier equals $2,055,000, which upgrades you to VIP 5. If you're confused, the formula goes like this. Amount of MNT you're holding times the multiplier times the MNT USD value plus USDT value equals total USD value held in Bybit. Just key in the value you currently have and calculate accordingly. Take your MNT Pass today to fast-track your way to VIP.